As suppliers of quality Danish manufactured TP wood chippers for the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland, our head office site in Dalbeattie, southwest Scotland, benefits from a dedicated wood chipper workshop. As suppliers of new models, we also stock used models, which have been taken in part exchange. Our skilled chipper engineers work to ensure that each wood chipper that leaves our site, whether it's new or used, is ready to work hard for their new owner from day one. Our stock of new models includes mobile units, tracked machines and PTO models. These machines are held in stock and are available to see working. As for our quality used stock, these machines cover a wide selection of brands, models and ages. Similar to our new machines, demonstrations are available and are sold, tested, serviced and with warranty cover. Our national network of service staff in vans are always on hand if a customer needs support, so rest assured that a warranty covered used chipper from Jazz P Wilsons is up to the task and more. Fast and competitive finance is available on new and used machinery subject to status. Call us today for more details on our quality used stock.